If you love to save time and money, then stick with me because in today's video, I'm sharing all new home hacks. As a crafter, I have so many of these sitting around my house, but did you know you can actually use these to clean out your air vents? They are great. They're the perfect size and they will clean it out. You can also wash them to rinse the dust off and keep using them. I have a hack you can try in any room where you have curtains. Now, if you're like me and you usually leave your curtains open and you love the pleated look on your curtains, but you're like, how do I get these pleats to stay? My hack is binder clips. I put binder clips at the top of my curtains and the bottom of my curtains. It helps to hold those pleats in place and they look good all the time. No need to buy expensive electronic organizers. Just pick up 3 or however many you want of these napkin rings at Dollar Tree. Then you're gonna take a package of zip ties and you just wanna zip tie all of the napkin rings together. Cut off any excess and then you can put it in a drawer or sitting out so that all of your iPads, phones are organized. Have you ever tried cleaning your bathroom with one of these dish scrubbers? It makes the job so much easier. Put your dish soap into the dish scrubber and you can clean your entire sink, your vanity, and even your shower. I find that cleaning in my cup holders can be really hard to do, so I found an inexpensive way to try to keep them as clean as possible. Buy a pack of these facial makeup sponges at Dollar Tree. You can put them in your cup holders and it'll collect anything, any liquid, any dirt that falls in there. And then if you need to pull them out, you can wash them or buy new ones. Traveling with your family and you don't want your toothbrushes sitting out on a towel in the bathroom, let me show you a hack you can try. Pick up a container of these gloves at Dollar Tree, and then you can use your toothbrushes or just get a pack of toothbrushes. Then you're gonna take your toothbrush and put it into the fingers of the gloves at night. It's gonna keep all the toothbrushes separated and covered, but you'll have them all in one place. I am gearing up for warm weather and this butterfly napkin would look so pretty on your table and would impress all of your guests. It's really easy to fold. So you're going to need any cloth napkin. You're gonna start by laying your napkin out flat. Then you want to fold in both sides vertically. Then on each of your corners, you're going to pull it out so that it's open and just crease the edge. You're gonna do this on all 4 corners. Next, you're gonna take one of the sides and you're going to roll it up until you get to the middle. Then if you need to place something on it to hold it in place, you can do that. On the other side, you're going to accordion fan it. So start by tucking it under, creasing, going back until you get it accordioned all the way to the middle. Then use some of your favorite ribbon to tie it off in the middle. Then you're gonna fan it out so that the bottom is the area that you folded under, and then the accordion part is the top of your butterfly. I'm gonna show you how to use these containers to meal prep a viral salad. It's the sub salad. I've been eating it and it's so good. Start out with these containers and you're gonna fill them up about halfway full with lettuce. I'm just gonna use shredded lettuce. Now, if you have one of these choppers, it makes it so much easier to chop up everything for this salad. I will link it below. I bought it off of Amazon. Now, what are we going to be chopping for this salad? We're gonna be doing tomatoes, onions. We also have some pepperoncini peppers, and then you can use any meat or cheese that you want. I'm gonna be using provolone and turkey. Sprinkle in some Italian seasoning, and then you can put these into your refrigerator and let them sit in there until you're ready to eat. And then for dressing, you could add in mayo or a red wine vinegar if you wanted it to taste like a sub. How do we conceal all the cords that we have? I have two options for you. The first option is to put your cords, your routers, anything you don't want to see in a cabinet or in a dresser. Over on the side of my living room, I have these big cabinets, and one of the cabinets is just for our routers and all of our electronics, and it's tucked away, you can't see it. Another option, if you have cords, like maybe you have a cord hanging down from your TV, or I have these sconces that have cords that need to be plugged in. There's this product that you can buy. It's white, and you can cover up your cords and stick them onto your wall, and you can even paint them if you want to, and it's a great way to really streamline any cords that you're going to see. If you've made it this far in the video, thank you so much for watching. Comment the word of the day, which is hacks. What's the easiest way to clean your lampshades? Try using a lint roller, especially if you get dirt, dust, or hair on there from your pets. You can just take your lint roller and roll it across your lampshade. It'll pick everything up and it'll look brand new. I don't like having the Alexa just sitting out on my countertops, but it needs to be close by in my kitchen. So find an area where you have decor sitting out. I'm thinking over there would be a great option, and I'm gonna style it on a tray. It's gonna blend in and you won't even be able to see it. Just make sure wherever you put it, you have an outlet to plug it in. So I'm gonna move the plant and I'll plug it in back here. And then I'll do my best to kind of hide the cord behind the plant. I could even put it back here, but I'm just gonna set it right here, and then the majority of the cord will be covered. I love simple hacks that make my bathroom look more high-end. One item I really like is this toilet brush that I sit out in my bathroom. It has a really slender design. It's off of Amazon. I will link it for you down below, but this looks so nice sitting out. It comes in all these different colors. I have silver, I have a rose gold, and the toilet brush itself cleans really well and it lasts for a really long time. Another way you could really make your bathroom look high-end, and I don't do this in my bathroom, but it's a good idea in a guest room, is to get some of the reusable containers where you can put the fancy labels on, and then put your different shampoos, body washes into those containers. It looks so nice sitting out in your shower and a real treat for your guests. I heard if you add coconut oil to your shoes, you can make them water resistant. Let's try it out. I'm gonna use a microfiber cloth and I'll put it into the coconut oil, and then I'm just going to wipe it onto the front of this pair of boots. I definitely don't think it's gonna hurt them. They definitely look shiny. All right, let's test it out and see if it works. I'm gonna add some water and we'll see how well it repels. So I feel like after doing this, it definitely made them waterproof. Like none of the water is soaking into my boots, but it's still on top of the boots, so I'm gonna have to wipe them clean. But on the other hand, it made the boots really shiny and they look great. So if you have some coconut oil, this might be a hack you wanna try. One of my hacks is to get clear or see-through bins that go up high on your shelf. That way you know exactly what's in there and you can see it. If this basket was wicker, I wouldn't know what's inside and I would probably not use it. Here I can see the different snacks and I can also see what's up there. This Dollar Tree mop went viral. Let's test it out and see if it's as good as everyone says it is. This mop definitely works in a pinch, but I still prefer the flat mops that are the Swiffer style. Let me know down in the comments which of these hacks you're gonna be trying in your home. And if you're not already, make sure you subscribe and I'll see you in our next one. Bye.